Please check Section 39 of Rule 9 of our rules. Kasi di ba kung meron, ang dali-dali naman, di ba wala?
Totoo naman yan, sir. Kung meron, may papakita kagad. Ba't di kasi sabihin yung wala? Sabihin mo na nang wala na po kasi maanumalya yun. Pag ipinakita ko yun ngayon, lalabas yung mga ginawa nating kagaguhan doon. O kaya hindi natin pwedeng ipakita. Simple tanong meron, wala? Wala, meron. O.
So the small
Ang dami ng choir, oh. Ang dami niya ng choir. May nakatayo na siyang meron na siyang 3 nakatayo na choir. Walang hiya na yan, oh.
committee is subsumed within the Committee on Appropriations, and it is the Committee on Appropriations who's required to submit the committee report. In this case, the report and the output of the Committee on Appropriations is the HGAB.
No, it's not. The HGAB is different from a committee report. Just like any other bill, the bill is different from the committee report. There must be a committee report included to the bill. It is not one and the same.
At the point of, after the committee hearings are done, the Committee on Appropriations comes out with a committee report, and then it moves to plenary, at which point we approve it, and the small committee works. So now, the output of the Committee on Appropriations, once that is elevated to the plenary, is the HGAB.
No.
So there's no other committee report that needs to be furnished by the Committee on Appropriations apart from the HGAB itself.
It is not exempted from our rules, Madam Chair. Maliwanag, Section 39. Gusto nyo basahin nyo? Okay. I will ask the committee secretariat. How many meetings were held?
There were 2 meetings.
2 meetings. Did you follow, nasaan yung minutes ng meetings? Where were the meetings held? What date?
Huh? Huh?
Ang tagal, ah. Oh, tiyan, hindi na iniwanan na rin siya ng mga kasama
Madam
niyo.
Chair, I can read Section 39 of
Tanong pa siya ng tanong kay Sandro. Wala rin alam niyo si Sandro, eh. Anak ng teacher yan, eh. Tayo na hindi mapapagalitan ng teacher yan. Huwag ka magtanong dyan. Walang alam yung kumag na yan, Diyos ko po.
rules to make it clear that the committee report is different from the HGAB, but I don't want it to take up my time. Iba po yun eh. Kasi tignan nyo, yung BICAM. Di ba may BICAM report? Doon sa BICAM report, teka muna, bait umaandar yung oras ko. Hindi pa na natatapos yung isyung rineraise ko. Doon sa BICAM report, nakasulat, okay, yung BICAM report, pinipintasan natin. Pero yung BICAM report, may nakasulat doon kung alin yung nabawasan, alin yung nagdagdagan. Dito sa HGAB, wala tayong makita kung alin yung nabawasan, alin yung nadagdagan.
Hindi na nila alam yung gagawin nila, oh.
With the indulgence of Representative Chanco, so the COMSEC is currently looking into the specific request as well as the level of detail that you are requesting.
No, within 5 minutes, I need the committee report.
If we may please move on to the other questions
Yes,
while
pwede.
they're working
Yes,
on this.
I will. But if within 5 minutes wala yan, ibig sabihin wala yan, ngayon palang gagawa yan. Ang gusto natin na committee report is the same as the BICAM. Okay? The same as the BICAM. Nakasulat kung saan binawas, saan nadagdag. Okay, I will mention why it is very important. Okay, ito may 2 distrito, no? At sino ang nag-introduce ng amendment? May 2 distrito, hindi naman to kasalanan ng congressman doon sa distritong yon. Ang NEP nila is 2.530 billion. And then pagdating sa GAA, naging 20.999 billion. Isa pa, 1.508583 billion sa NEP. Pagdating sa GAA, 20,795. So, Tapos, ang pinasok lang sa BICAM dito is 5 billion and 4 billion each. So, ang napasok dun sa small committee is 13 billion. Dun sa isa, yung isa 14 billion. So, sino yung nagpasok ng 13 billion na yun at saan tinanggal yun?
So again, the small committee is subsumed within the Committee on Appropriations, and it is not required to render a
No,
separate
I
committee
did-
report. The rule that you are citing, Honorable Chanco, pertain to standing committees. And the mother committee in this case of the small committee is the Committee on Appropriations.
Yes, but did we exempt the Committee on Appropriations not to submit a committee report? No.
Again, the committee report of the Committee on Appropriations at the plenary level is the HGAB itself.
Yeah, but all meetings, dito sa ating rules, all meetings must be on record. So it's not only the committee report, dapat yung small committee na yon, meron silang report na finurnish lahat.
Again, if with indulgence of the Honorable Chanco, the COMSEC is looking into the request, if we may move to the next question.
Okay, I will move to the next question.
Thank you
So
very
mukhang
much.
wala talaga. Signed, ha? Signed committee report showing ano yung binawa, saan napunta. Okay. So it's only now, Madam Chair, that you found out that there is no small committee report? Madam Chair, it's only today that you found out that there's no small committee report?
Again, Representative Chanco, I was not the chairperson of the Committee on Appropriations at NIME, nor was I linked to the budget deliberations or the deliberations of the small committee. So,
Alam mo, nagsalita na si Herrera eh. Nagsalita na si Herrera. Sabi ni Herrera, I was a part of the small committee sa Committee on Appropriations. Meron yan. Meron daw, sabi ni Herrera. Tanungin mo si Herrera. Since part siya nan, itanong mo. Ang problema, baka meron nga, pero ayaw nyo lang ilabas. Kasi nga, pag inilabas nyo yan, makikita natin yung doon sa mga blankong line item doon sa GAA. Magkakabistuhan yan.
this is something that we are looking into based on your query.
Okay. So, you mentioned in a press conference that you will have a subcommittee on budget amendments to replace the small committee. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Does it mean that we will now strictly follow section 56 and 57 of our rules, that before after we approve on second reading, no further amendments will be made?
Yes, that is correct.
So, lahat ng individual amendments will be tackled before approval on second reading?
All amendments of institutional nature will all be included in the version of the bill that will be approved on second reading.
No, not institutional. I'm referring to committee and individual amendments.
Technically speaking, yes, both committee and individual amendments as moved, as tackled during the period of amendments in the plenary.
So after the second reading, wala na pong babaguhin?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. Sumunod, sino po ang mga miyembro ng small committee at paano sila pinili?
As of now, it's an ongoing discussion. It will not be small.
Oh, the
It's actually
subcommittee on budget amendments.
Yes. So we are looking into representatives nominated by each of the political parties, plus the party list coalition, plus members of the minority. So we are looking at least 10 members. So discussions are still ongoing, so I'm unable to say definitively how many the members are and who the members are.
So sinabi niyo po, political parties, majority, minority.
That is correct.
Bakit wala pong representative ang independents? Hindi pa po kami dapat tumingin din sa budget?
That could be considered. Thank you very much for pointing that out, Representative Shanko.
So is it a affirmative that the independents will be represented?
Madam Chair, point of order, Madam Chair.
Ay, salamat. Ay, salamat, may sumagot.
Kasi kanina, I was asking kung ano ito, kung hearing ito o briefing. Ang sagot sa akin, briefing. Sa naririnig ko, parang hearing. Because we are now discussing, things that are properly discussed in the committee itself. So, with apologies to my friend Congressman Chanco, baka maybe that can be discussed in a formal APRO meeting kasi we have our resource persons here that probably are wondering why they are listening to all of this. And so that also the briefing can proceed, Your Honor.
Yes, to my friend, of course, the respected Honorable Puno. But on Wednesday, we will ask them how they spent their funds. So I think we also should know whether they were deducted funds or added funds before we ask them how they. Di ba po parang pag kahit bata, pag humingi ng allowance, bago humingi ng bagong allowance, titignan muna kung paano ginastos, di ba? So, and I'm winding up. Check Puno, Congressman Puno.
No, I am not unhappy with the questions. In fact, some of them are my own questions also. I was just observing that you know, the ruling was that this is a briefing. So I myself have been forced to revise some of the questions I was going to ask. But thank you for your lead on this.
Okay, next. Lahat po ba dapat digital na ngayon? Bakit wala pong soft copy ang HGAB?
Wala pa pong HGAB
Hindi.
for
Ibig sabihin
fiscal year
ng
2025.
2025 HGAB, wala pong soft copy yan. So bakit po kaya walang soft copy ang HGAB? Kung yung NEP may soft copy na pinapublish po yung DBM, kung yung GAA na papublish po may soft copy, bakit po kaya walang soft copy yung HGAB? At sigurado po ba tayo na magkakaroon ng soft copy ang HGAB ngayong 2026 budget?
So the requirement of the transmission between the House and the Senate is for hard copies during the 19th Congress. So that's the version that was prepared by the House, because that's the requirement of the Senate in terms of the transmittal. Now, though, we are changing that, and we are now moving more towards a digital format, which will render to the members of the House.
Okay, yun lang po. So you commit that doon sa 2026 budget, meron na pong soft copy
Yes, we commit.
ng after third reading.
Yes, we commit.
Okay. So thank you po. 3 minutes na lang po, tapos na yung 5 minutes. So dapat matanggap na namin yung email ng small committee report, Madam Chair.
Again, we will revert back to you on that, Honorable Chanco. Again, the committee secretary is looking into that. This is something that we can discuss internally. It's an internal matter of the Committee on Appropriations. So I would also not want that to hinder all of the other members to ask their questions pertaining to the 2026 fiscal year budget. So if we can get back to you on that, again, I can also ask the COMSEC to sit down and tackle the request, which we will put under consideration.
So Madam Chair, I don't need to sit down with the COMSEC. I am just requesting that each and every member of the House be given the copy of the small committee report wherein makikita po kung saan po nagbawas ng kasi walang madadagdag kung walang binawas. So yun lang po ang hinihingi ko, pakita lang kung saan binawas at saan dinagdag. Yun lang ang hinihingi ko. And hindi naman po pwede ngayon lang yan gagawin kasi public record yan eh. And I'm sorry to disagree, but public funds is not an internal matter. Di ba? Kaya nga natin ginawang transparent to because it's not internal. Pag nagtanong tayo tungkol sa pera ng taong bayan, every question is valid and every question is a public matter. It is not an internal matter dahil pera po ito ng taong bayan.
The procedural point is what's considered as an internal matter. Again, we maintain that the output of the small committee is included in the HGAB.
Hindi po. Pero nakasulat po ba sa HGAB kung saan binawas at saan dinagdag? Yun na lang po tatanungin ko, Madam Chair.
Pwede pong silipin yung difference ng GAB as filed versus HGAB. Pero dun po sa mismong forma na HGAB, hindi po nakalagay yung mga delta doon. But if you would really want that, to look into the differences, you can compare HGAB as filed for first reading vis-a-vis what's what's transmitted in the Senate.
Madam Chair, 7,000 pages po yun. Paano ko naman babasahin yun? Doon nga sa BICAM, di ba ang ginawa nila, sinamarize nila at sinabi po nila kung ano yung binawas at ano yung dinagdag. So bakit hindi po natin magawa yun? Di ba 7,000 pages, babasahin natin isa-isa, tapos hahanapin natin alin yung tumaas, alin yung bumaba. Sa BICAM po, ang ginagawa po nila, sinasummarize, nakasulat po doon. And ang balita ko sa Senate, gagawin nila is aalamin kung sino yung nag-introduce ng bawas at sino yung nag-introduce ng dagdag. And I hope the same will be done in the House, Madam Chair.
Noted on that. We will take that into consideration as we move forward with the reforms for the budget deliberations for the 20th Congress.
Last question, Madam Chair. What will be the participation of the civil service, the CSOs, the NGOs, and the POs?
Ganyan ang sagot mga bossing ng ng mga sinungaling. Balikan kita, pero hindi ka nababalikan yan. Sige, mamaya sagutin kita, pero wala na yan. Parang utang lang yan eh. Bayaran kita kagad, pero pag pinautang mo na, wala na yan. Malabo na, mas malabo pa sa ihi ng pusit yan. Ito yung isang patunay na sila na mismo yung pumupulis sa mga sarili nila. Yung mga pumupulis ngayon, yaan yung mga puposisyon para hindi sila madamay sa paniningil ng taong bayan sa darating na eleksyon. Because some of yung mga congressmen dito, matatapos yung kanilang mga term sa 2028. And some of yung mga nandito, yung mga nakapasok ngayon, didepende yung kanilang re-election kung ano ang stand nila. Kasi kung hindi bababa ang trust rating ni VP Sara, magko-continue yan. I am pretty sure, katulad din nung ginawa ng mga dating alyado ni Pangulong Duterte nung nagsilundagan ng napunta sa ibang mga partido, ganyan din ang gagawin ng mga yan. Lalong-lalo na ngayon, alam nila na si VP Sara talagang legal yung paghihiganti niya. Legal Legal yung paghihiganti ni VP Sara. Kasi hinayop nyo binwisit nyo at talagang tinarantado nyo yung pamilya nila All because of your politics. And narinig ko na to, si VP Sara hindi basta-basta nagpapatawad. Ilang beses niya nang sinasabi yun na yung aking spiritual level is malayo pa sa spiritual level ng mga taga KOJC na kaya nilang magpatawad kagad. Si VP Sara, unfortunately, will not take what yung mga ginawa ninyo sa pamilya nila lightly. I am sure na babalikan sila niyan at babalikan talaga sila niyan. Kaya itong mga congressman na ito, yung mga gobernador, mayor na tumabla sa kanila, yung mga pinahirapan sila Senator Bato dahil sir, pasensya na okay tayo pero wag ka muna magpunta rito sa amin kasi pinag-iinitan kami. Yung mga ganong mayor, humanda kayo. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, the day of reckoning will come. Someday it will come. At nakikita ko sa ngayon, it will be sooner than expected. Kamalas nyo. Ayan. So yan, mga kaganapan ngayong araw na ito. At sana kayo nag-enjoy, mga bossing. Mabuhay kayo. God bless us all and God bless the Philippines. Kita-kita po tayo muli sa susunod na vlog. Unti-unti, pagmasdan nyo, unti-unti yung mga dating tahimik nagsasalita na, yung mga dating tango lang ng tango pumipiyok na, yung mga dating takot mawalan ng budget they're taking the risk. Tingnan nyo naman, di ba? Wala na yan. Senate, binaboy mo Senate. Ang mga senador will not take it sitting down. Itong Congress, bagamat nanalo si Romualdez, watak-watak na yan. Mantakin mo dati, lang yan, super majority and super minority. Ganun lang yan. Pero ngayon, meron ng independent, majority, minority. Di ba? Delegates na yan. Kung nga sa inyo, kapag kung ano yung magiging performance ng budget natin ngayong taon, Kung ano yung performance nila, diyan nakadepende yung mga karir nila. At kung ano man ang mangyari ngayong budget ngayon, tapos babalikan natin yung 2025 na budget, bigla silang i-X, magpo-pushback, wait lang. Gaganon. Alam na natin, may nangyaring kabulastugan talaga ng 2025 budget. Di ba? Basta abang-abang lang, marami mga mangyayari. At lahat ng mga mangyayari at mapapansin natin ay ating ibabalita. Muli po, makita-kita tayo sa susunod na kabanata.
Kami ang boses ng masa, hindi natatakot. Katotohanan lang, di kami nalulunod. Walang bahid ng sismis, lahat ay totoo. Kahit sino ka pa, pag mali ka babanatan ka. Walang pinipili kulay, wala kaming kinikilingan. Basta para sa bayan, kami lalaban. Pag tama palakpakan, pag mali banatan. Di matitinag, di matatakot, para sa bayan tuloy ang sigaw. Sa harap ng kamera, walang halong takot. Mga baluktot, lahat kayo'y tutumba. Ang hustisya at totoo, yun lang ang mahalaga. Kahit sinong harang, di kami matitinag. Walang pinipiling kulay, wala kaming kinikilingan. Basta para sa bayan, kami lalaban. Pag tama palakpakan, pag mali banatan. Di matitinag, di matatakot, para sa bayan tuloy ang sigaw. Kung nasa tama ka, ikaw ay aming kasama. Pero pag mali ka, handa ka na bang mabasag? Banateros kami, walang inuunan. Dahil bayan muna, bago ang sarili. Bago ang sarili. Pag tama palakpakan, pag mali banatan. Banateros ang sigaw, katotohanan ang laban. Sa harap ng kamera, walang halong takot.